iLife is a suite of software applications created by Apple, designed to help users create, organize, and share digital media. The iLife suite was primarily aimed at home users and became a key part of the Mac experience during the 2000s. Although some iLife apps existed earlier as separate products, Apple officially branded them as the iLife Suite in January 2003. The original bundle included iPhoto, iMovie, iTunes, and iDVD. These tools were designed to work seamlessly with macOS X and with Apple's hardware, like iPods and digital cameras. In iLife 04, Apple introduced GarageBand, a new app for music creation and recording, adding a powerful tool for amateur musicians and podcasters. In iLife 05 and 06 brought major upgrades, including better integration between the apps and enhancements like new iMovie effects and themes, photo books in iPhoto, podcast support in GarageBand. iDVD remained a part of the suite, catering to DVD production as that medium was still relevant. iLife became a major selling point for Macs, offering a user-friendly multimedia suite, pre-installed on all new machines. Apple also emphasized its role in education and creative projects. iLife 08 and 09 focused on redesigns and improvements. iPhoto introduced events and faces. iMovie was heavily redesigned in iLife 08, controversially as many features were removed. GarageBand added music lessons in iLife 09. iLife 11, released in 2010, was the last box version of iLife. Apple began moving apps to the Mac App Store as standalone downloads, slowly phasing out the iLife branding. iDVD and iWeb were discontinued, as cloud services like iCloud and streaming became dominant. DVD creation became obsolete, contributing to iDVD's removal. While the iLife brand is no longer used, its apps live on. GarageBand is still actively updated and available on macOS and iOS. iMovie remains a lightweight, beginner-friendly video editor. iPhoto was replaced by the Photos app in 2015, and iTunes was split into music, TV, and podcast apps in macOS Catalina. So that is a brief history of iLife. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.